Hi viewers, welcome back to Science Capsule, a perfect self-learning tool. In the previous video we have seen how to create an instant meeting using Google Meet and get connected to your children. If you have not watched that video, then you will find it in the I button. You can click and watch that video so that you will understand how to create instantly a Google Meet. PowerPoint presentation is one of the effective tools by using which we can create an active environment. In this video, we are going to see how to use PowerPoint presentation, one of the most reliable tool for making the teaching learning process more and more effective. So this video is going to be very interesting and informative, so watch till the end of this video. And one thing, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever new video is uploaded in this channel. So without wasting much time, let us start today's video. I am in Google. Here the instant page we have already seen. Here I type Google Meet in the Google search, then you will get the first option. This we have already seen. By clicking on this, we will go here, we will reach here. We have already logged in. As you can see here, click on new meeting, you will get instant meeting. So when you click on this, you will get an instant meeting code. So as you can see here, copy this code, and once it is copied, you can share it to your friends or the students. So here I am pasting this. Right click, paste, and clicking on the send option, you can see that the meeting code has been sent. When the student clicks on this link, then the student will be allowed to enter into the meeting. So right now I am going to enter through my mobile phone. My mobile phone is already connected here. Let me check. Now let me check. So I have a mobile phone. From the mobile phone I'll try to connect. So here WhatsApp, from here I'll go to the, so here is the meeting code. As you can see, just now we have sent, right? So click on this. By clicking on this code, see here it asks for Google Meet. So everything takes place in the mobile, so I will click on the meeting option. When I click on meeting, it will take to another window where I will be allowed. See here, so this is ask to join option comes, as you can see here, because this is sent through WhatsApp. So ask to join, this option will appear. So upon clicking on ask to join, see here, so someone wants to join this call appears. So I click on admit. So when I click on this admit option, here you can see both video and audio got muted. We have already seen how to create an instant meeting and invite participants. So the same procedure we have followed. Right now we have two participants, as you can see here, two participants from this, and one is myself, and another one just before we have invited, that is from my mobile phone. So if you want to share your PowerPoint presentation for a teaching learning process, I have already opened a PowerPoint presentation. So in order to do that, present now is the option which will be used. So when you click on this button, we will get the three options: your entire screen, a window, a tab. Right now I am going to share the PowerPoint. So in order to share this, click on a window. Here several windows appear. So this window is the Microsoft PowerPoint where my presentation is there. So click on this and click on share. So once you click on this button, then you will find that your PowerPoint presentation appears, and click on the F5 button, shift F5 for the current slide. Here you see the reduction reaction. This is one of the topic which I have taken from class 10th science. So here I use ball pen to highlight. Here you see PowerPoint presentation is there. You can explain the concept as well to your students by making underline, by circling, by highlighting any important points, underlining points. So simultaneously you can explain the concepts, and here you see some animation is also there, so the students will understand the animation also. See here copper oxide here. So like this animation, so students will be very much engaged in seeing the animations and also explanation part, and we are going to highlight the chemical equation, we can explain it. So this is how we can share the PowerPoint presentation and can have an effective teaching learning process virtually by using Google Meet, one of the effective tools. Once the explanation is over, then here you will find an option called stop sharing. When you click on this button, you will be out of the screen. So right now you are out of the screen. If you click on this, you can see that nothing is shared. This is how we can share the PowerPoint presentation with your students. You should know how the shared screen appears to your students, right? This is very important. So let me tell that also. So for that I should show you the mobile view. So this is the mobile view as you can see on the screen. So in order to share the screen, let me first tell present now, and here a window I'll click on, and here presentation, click on share option. So this has been shared. Now in order to see the mobile view, I'll go here, I'll show you the mobile view. See here, mobile view, you can see the mobile view over here. You can see on the mobile view that the PowerPoint presentation has been shared over here, so the students who are connected, they can see the screen. At the same time, the students can see the speaker. Here on the screen you can see only the PowerPoint presentation is visible, no other things are visible here. Whereas if you see the mobile view of the students who are participating in the meeting, the participants will see the PowerPoint presentation as well as the speaker and also all other participants connected through Google Meet. So you can see very well that the students will see the interactions, your visuals and the PowerPoint presentation as well. So this way we can create an interesting and innovative classroom situation by using Google Meet as an effective tool. So once I stop sharing, that also you should know. Once I click on stop sharing, you can see the PowerPoint presentation has been discontinued. So we have stopped sharing, so the PowerPoint presentation has gone off. So the students can see the enlarged picture of the speaker. Let us go to the main Meet screen as you can see here. So this is how we can make a PowerPoint presentation as an effective tool for teaching learning process by sharing it to the children and interacting with the PowerPoint presentation. Hope you found this video useful. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload more such informative videos on ICT tools. So see you all on another day with a new interesting video. Till then, take good care of yourself.